niggas will never get caught. Overcame it all like I'm some big shot. Was taught to be a man, now to the wristwatch. To the collar shirt tucked with the front pocket. Out of adolescence when it go blossom. When your stars align, I hope it's no comet. So far it's, oh yes, I made it alive. On the west side, still in my mama house. The kids on my conscience now, cause the youth dying, and it's just more common now, coming round.
Hey guys, this video is going to be a little different. We're going to be using a new setup, and it's going to be really fun. So, let me show you guys. This is the new setup. It's the cheap Ozark Trail Wayfarer combo. I'm just going to put some micro stuff on it and go use it at a pond with a bunch of smaller fish. So, I'll see you guys there. Made it to the spot. Here's the two-piece. And then I just have a mini spinner bait on. And I'm probably going to be a quick change before I use it. There, so we just tied on a trout magnet with a purple haze body. The bite wasn't going too well, so I put a brown body on this time. Just cleaning it off. There's a lot of, usually they're on the park side over there, but they're all just chilling right next to me. So. Maybe a gill on it. I'll try to get a gill now.
What a wonderful.
I want to fight. There's people in the area where there's a big hunting hole, but
What a wonderful world.
I would rather not go there, give people their own space. I mean, it casts really far with the right bait. So I'm hoping to get something on for a nice little fight. Cast back out. Someone tail me in. Sorry if it gets a little windy. It shouldn't sound too windy, but there's a couple little gusts of wind. There you go. Time to drag a little bit. Little bass. Oh, that's a decent sized bluegill. I'll get it off the hook to show you guys. I do really like the drag being a little lower for the fights, but there you go. It's a pretty guy. Oh, pretty good. It's pretty something. There you go. I'll get back out there right away. Alright guys, sorry I have to go somewhere, but trust me, this is not the end of the video. I'm just gonna go somewhere for a day. I'll be back here right as soon as I can tomorrow, just to finish the video. Cool. Hey guys, so while I'm away, I decided to bring a big rod out, and I caught a nice little, it looks like a channel. I want to say it. It's probably my biggest one. Alright guys, so I got back, and now I am going to finish up the review and stuff. There's going to be a couple people here and there that I'm talking to off camera, but I will finish this review. Alright guys, we moved to a different spot because the other spot I really couldn't see because it was like so shaded over there. So now hopefully I can actually catch a fish. this is a very like good spot because all species are right here. Bass, bluegill. So it turns out I'm gonna have to cut this off and retie it because this is not working. I'm gonna take a lot of line off. Alright, just caught this one. It was a pretty easy fight, but when the drag is turned down, it was it gets harder. So I think I'm gonna turn the drag down a little bit. Again, a problem with this one is that you cannot you can't hear the drag changing, which kind of sucks. But yeah, there's that guy. Real pretty. One of the bigger ones in here. So nice. This is why I say it's kind of hard to tell where your drag is at, because you really, I mean, you can't feel unless you do use a little bit of the drag, like you spin the spool around or something. So I'm heading back to the first spot. I'm using a trout magnet, but if I don't catch anything for a while, I think I'm gonna tie something else on. But we'll see.
What a wonderful world.
I don't know if I do have another one on. I think I do. Oh, I do. Alright. There's another little pumpkin seed.
What a wonderful world.
I'll show you guys him a little more afterwards. I always like showing fish off because sometimes they don't even look real. Like this one. I get the hook out. There. And then I gotta show you guys in the sun, don't I? That's the way it looks like. Alright. Caught another one off camera. A nice little one. They definitely are getting bigger from here, so. Another one I missed. It's right there. Let me keep going after it. Oh, there we go. Turn up the drag a little bit. Hope you guys can see the rod moving. This one's bigger. By a little bit. There we go. He pooped on me. Anyway. It's another nice one. Yeah, I'll call it a day for fishing. In a second, I'll do the review. For me, it'll be a second. For you guys, it'll be right now. So, I guess it'll be right. You guys can decide on the video whether you liked it or not. Here, right now, I'm gonna say my review, but first, I'm gonna put up all the specs just on the screen somewhere. So, it is a medium white. Here's where my review comes in. The rod and reel together is for me, it's gonna be a 6.5 out of 10 bass. Now, the rod by itself, I'm actually gonna rate a 8.5, just because how nice it is. Now for the reel, even though I'm gonna be using it in a lot more videos and putting it on the rod and still using it till it gives up on me, it's a 4.5. I mean, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the review, and now I'm off to make another video.
I'm concerned, if it's people hating, they can still suck a been a drill, bitch, I'm sick. Current deals with the shit. Real niggas always gonna excel, fuck a list. Unless they put me on the shit. They need Winfrey on the shit. That's the lane a nigga in. Right.
Wait, bitch, I'm good, yeah, I'm straight. Hit the wood, it was lace.